guys! Today I'm going to be teaching you about physical and chemical changes. A physical change is when the substance does not change its identity. I'm going to be showing you two examples. Example 1 is ceramic bowl. Okay, so watch what happens when I flick the bowl. Look at the crack. I have a strong finger. Maybe that wasn't good enough. Let's see what happens when I drop it.
Don't try it at home. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's review. So when I dropped the bowl, it broke into many pieces, but it's still ceramic. And if you want a challenge, you can put all the pieces back together. And the fact that you can put it together again proves that it's a physical change. Example number 2 is melting candy melts. They first start out as a solid. I'm putting many into a bowl so they can melt and turn into a liquid. I'm putting them into the microwave so they can melt. They're ready. Ow! Okay, so they just got out of the microwave, and if you look here, it's a liquid. So let's review. The candy melt started out as a solid. Then when I put it in the microwave to melt, it turned into a liquid. But if you want to freeze it, it will turn back into a solid and it will keep its color. Therefore, it's a physical change. So after putting the liquid into the freezer, it turned back into a solid. Now moving on to chemical change. A chemical change is when the substance changes its shape, color, size, or texture. Example number 1 is popping popcorn. I'm going to pour the kernels into the machine and the heat will make them pop. Let's review. The starch is converted into a form that is easier to eat. Therefore, it's a chemical change. Example 2 is scrambling eggs. When I cracked the egg, this is what it looked like. Now when I put it in a hot pan, let's see what happens. After the egg was in a hot pan, it turned out being scrambled. Let's review. Once the egg was heated and scrambled, it no longer can go back to a raw egg. It changed its color, shape, and texture, therefore it's a chemical change. So guys, this concludes our lesson about physical and chemical changes. So remember, if the identity of the substance stays the same, it's a physical change. And if the identity of the substance does change, such as color or texture, then it's a chemical change. So I hope you guys had fun watching this and I hope you guys learned a lot. See you later!